In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your NordVPN coupon code in December. You can simply get the NordVPN discount code in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up any browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in NordVPN coupon code December. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you'll have to choose a legit website. Select this website right here where you get 65% off NordVPN coupon code. Select any coupon code of your own choice. The code will get generated successfully. Tap right here to redeem directly to NordVPN. Make sure you enter your email right here to get the latest NordVPN coupons every December. Go to the NordVPN official website. Paste in your coupon code before making any kind of payment. The simple trick here is to double check down and see if your promo code is applied successfully. That's how easy it is to get NordVPN discounts every December. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.